Right then, you horrible lot. Burntwolf Airsoft's guide to things you should be doing before, during, and after Airsoft. Now, first things first. Make sure you know where you're bloody well going. Check a map. Not trying to insult your masculinity here. Simply, there's no excuse for getting lost these days. Rural postcodes can be massive things. Sat-navs are generally stupid creatures, and a rural postcode could bring you here, when you actually, in fact, want to be here. And trust me, there's normally no one around on a Sunday morning to ask for directions. Prepare anything that needs fixing. Do this well in advance of your next game. In case you have to order parts in, you have to wait for Postman Pratt to turn up. Get your sleeping pattern sorted out. So you've been up all night playing games, eh? Don't worry, we've all been there. But a few days before is the time to start setting your alarm clock a little bit earlier. Trust me, thank me on the day. Charge your batteries. Charge your batteries the day before. If you have high cappers, fill your mags with BBs. But don't wind them, and no matter what mag you use, don't transport them loaded in your gun. It's an accident waiting to happen. So you made it to Airsoft, eh? Didn't get lost after waking up late. Now before the first game starts, and you get your pew on, stretch. Yes, I know it looks silly, but looking silly is better than a long-term injury. Oh, and whilst you're playing, make sure you drink plenty of water. Dehydration has a massive effect on the brain. One of the first symptoms of dehydration is irritability. The other symptoms are confusion and trouble thinking. So drink more and play better. Here's a handy fist collar chart. So if the water's running yellow, have a drink, my fellow. Have fun. That's what you're here for. Although sometimes I do wonder if I have in fact turned up to an MTP fashion show. After Airsoft, disconnect your batteries, unwind and empty your mags, top up the gas on your pistol mags, stops the seals drying out, you know. I imagine you've got a little muddy, or at least a little sweaty. You're playing the game bloody well, right? Don't leave all your gear and wet clothes in your kit bag. I've seen mould growing in kit bags before. It's no good for all your expensive gear. Take them out and wash them for Christ's sake. Oh, and clean your guns. But not in the dishwasher. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. That is,